Hey class, so my name is Stacy Ann Jamie, and I'm presenting my presentation. Okay, so that's my name. Oh, sorry. This is my personal picture. I had this picture taken when I was doing an article for Compass for Pathway Connect. They wrote an article about me, so if you wanted to check it out, go ahead. So here's my next slide. So a job that I really want to get into is forensic psychology and use that degree to be an FBI agent or some private sector with the military. But I'm trying to be realistic at the same time. I have a past that might not let me get into that career, but is not going to deter me from obtaining a degree in forensic psychology. So some of the duties that come with forensic psychology is listen to a defendant's testimony, commenting on any signs of deception such as failure to maintain eye contact, advising in matters such as jury selection. So what a forensic psychologist would do if you work in the court system, you will evaluate the defendant. You would let the judge know if you think this person is mentally ill, or if I believe that he's giving a false testimony, or if he's lying in any kind of way. So it's clinical psychology combined with law. So yeah. All right, so the next one is required education. As we all know, we need 4 years in undergraduate, obtaining the bachelor's degree in psychology. To be a forensic psychologist, you either have to obtain your PsyD or your PhD in forensic psychology. You also have to be licensed to practice psychology and relevant work experience. To be realistic with y'all, I'm not sure if I'm really going to go all the way and get my doctorate degree, because if I'm able to get into the military or just become an FBI agent and use my bachelor's degree just to do criminal investigations, I am pretty happy with that. But let's go to the next slide. How your education relates to your 4-year plan. Well, for me, my 4-year plan, I'm already a junior, but my 3 years that I have been in school has been preparing me for graduate school. My studies have helped me to determine my weaknesses to make them become stronger. Like, I had no idea how to study, and I thought I wanted to be a biology major. Until I took biology, I realized, wow, I really need to hone down on some type of, study skill, understand how my mind works in order to understand my study habits. Also, I am working on doing an internship with the Idaho Juvenile Correctional Facility, so I feel that that's going to help me in my graduate application. Why are you majoring in psychology? One of the reasons I'm majoring in psychology is just I've always been fascinated with the human mind, why people act the way they do, and do people act the way they do because of certain thinking process or any of those factors. I also grew up in a really gang-related neighborhood, and so I feel that forensic psychology would be perfect for me. How your reasons compare with those listed in chapter 13? Well, all I have to say is that chapter 13 really hones down on being passionate about what you want to work in. And I feel that I'm very passionate to study psychology, and I'm passionate to understand other people's minds. And I'm passionate about wanting to work in law enforcement. So I feel that all those combined will be a great job for me, and I know that I would enjoy it. And it doesn't matter how much it pays. I'm not looking for the top paying job. I'm looking for what's gonna fulfill me in life. And I love psychology. I love law enforcement, and I like helping people. And for me, that really tailors into being in the military, working in the court system, or being an FBI agent. So that's what I got, guys. I look forward to hearing the rest of your guys' screencast. Have a nice day.